copy trade. Copy trade.
Good day everyone. No matter where you are tuning in from, whether you are just starting your morning, already in the middle of the trading grind, or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. I'm Vincent, your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's session isn't just another presentation, it's a real conversation. A chance for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking fund-day trading firms in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and standards of WeMasterTrade. They are not only skilled professionals, they are mentors and leaders within our community. First up, the ever composed, always insightful, Kai. Welcome, Kai.
So, thank you so much, Vincent. So, hello everyone.
Light Finance, the world.
Spend your time with us today. I'm seriously excited for these sessions because this is so much we are going to uncover, not just the strategies or rules, but the entry, the ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is the platform that's not just fun traders, it's built traders step by step for charting out the scaling to earn.
And next to him is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no nonsense chart reading. Strategic, precise, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Annie.
Thank you, Vincent. Hello to everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me the most is that today we're going to unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offer, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system too. So, like its package, promotion, scaling, payout structure, all of it. If you are ever had question or doubt, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you are completely new or already a funded trader with us, today's live stream will give you the full picture, not just the highlight reel. We are going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from traditional brokers or prop firms. And just to clarify, this isn't about selling you anything. This is about helping you understand what you are signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure to not only succeed, but actually scale.
Let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. So WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, not as a broker. That's the difference. The different matters. Broker profit from volume or clients' losses. WeMasterTrade profits only when traders succeed. We provide capital, takes on the risk, and shares profit when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy sets our trading packages as well. Today we will walk through its packages, who is designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you are looking at our packages and thought, which one fits my style, you will finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we are doing live side-by-side comparison. Pricing, account size, match drawdown, consistency rules, payout timelines. Reading numbers on the website is one thing. Understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is always, how do I stay compliant while trading? So we will dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it calculates, why floating like profit and losses matter, and how to avoid violation, especially overnight. We're also going to break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and also clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And we won't just explain rules, we will share real experience from my early funded trading days, mistakes I made, and adjustment I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your role, not limited.
And of course, we will go through our current promotions, discount codes, support campaigns, capital, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
And finally, we'll talk about the scale-up plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there's a structured pathway to grow into higher capital tier. With consistent performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind the long-term incomes at WeMasterTrade, the profit sharing models. This is the hard piece of what makes us different from every typical prop firm out there. When you trade on the funded account, follow the rules and generate profits, we share that profit with you, not just a small cut that will up to 90%. But here the thing, the percentage is just the headline. What really matters is the payout circle, the thresholds, how the timeline works, and we are breaking all of that down today, so you know exactly how to maximize every payout upon TNT.
Now, I know a lot of you tuning in today aren't just traders. Some of you are mentors, educators, community leaders, or you simply have strong networks. So we are also diving into our affiliate program, and we are doing it transparently. We will walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and most importantly, what you need to qualify for payout. That includes a full explanation of the true referral rule and the minimum funding requirements. No confusion, no surprise.
And that's super important. We're going to see huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome. But we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you're not just earning commissions, you are building a long-term sustainable income stream.
So, as you can already tell, this is not your usual light, surface level live stream. Today we are going deep into everything. Trading packages, trading rules, promos, scale-up pathway, profit sharing, and affiliate opportunities. All with one goal, helping you make the smartest, most informed decision for your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just the lectures. So if you have questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here, we are watching, and we will answer as many as possible can. Your voice matters, this whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry. We'll leave timestamps, summarized, and you can always reach out to our support team for clarification. They're one of the most dedicated teams I've worked with. They really want the trader to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say this. WeMasterTrade is not just a platform. It's a commitment. A commitment to be a real trader, a commitment to fairness, and a commitment to giving people all around the world a structured, scalable path to turn trading into a profession, not a gamble. So if you are here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you are in exactly the right place. Let's take this journey together. Alright everyone, let's begin. And once again, welcome to the WeMasterTrade live stream. Before we jump into packages, trading rules, promos, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment. Because before you put your time, your energy, and your trading journey into a platform, understanding who we are, what we believe in, isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so, this next segment is about origin, intention, and impact. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, what values hold this entire platform together, and how those values transform into real tools, real opportunities, and real outcomes for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, I've got two people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, Kai and Annie. Kai, let's get it up from the beginning.
Okay, so thanks Vincent. To really understand about WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. And unlike the most brokers or platforms that rule out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission to give casual traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talents shouldn't be limited by circumstance, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We were first in 2022 as part of the copy trade rule headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeMasterTrade make its name through investor networks, copy trading technologies, and signals. But WeMasterTrade is what creates with a sharper, more focused visions to find high potential traders, support them, and fund them, and scale them so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
And there's one key point many people overlook, and it's matter. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spread, we don't earn from commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our model only works when traders are profitable, and that's why everything we build, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up, is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on capital risk, we provide structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important. Skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from the day one has been education first. We don't want our traders just memorizing the rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structure, the why behind the risk model. And that's why we invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take our trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professional.
And the Academy is seriously something special. We have training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk calibration to advanced multi-asset strategies. But the best part is, it's not just theory. It's built to mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the Academy, you can apply directly to your funded account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standards, WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO 21001 2018 certified, a recognition given to institutions that deliver high quality, structured, and internationally compliant learning systems. It's a big achievement, and it represents our commitment to long-term trader development.
So now the certification is just a badge, it's just a statement. It's so that we invested in 11 traders, not in collecting freeze or disappear like so many from in space. Voice order firms rise fast and vanish even faster. WeMasterTrade has built real structures, stability, complete transparent processes, and a team that stands behind every decision. We are not here to quick wave, we're here to help build careers that last.
And that commitment shows in the stories we hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them to earn more, but help them trade with confidence and purpose. Some passed challenges after years of being stuck with retail brokers. Some finally escaped and the fear of risking their own savings. Some found clarity, structure, and support they would never experience before. We have watched students turn into full-time traders. We have seen women step back into finance after a long career break, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the markets, now trade with real capitals and real opportunities. That's the impact that we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and stay in tune with the markets, we maintain a constantly updated blog section, weekly insights, psychology breakdowns, market reaction, live from updates. We believe trading is a lifelong craft, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening its edge. And let's talk about culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just features, it's the mindset we cultivate. Integrity, respect, shared knowledge. Whether you are chatting in our Telegram groups, watching our YouTube series, or talking to our live support team, you will notice one thing. We actually listen. We treat traders like partners, not ticket numbers.
So, and I want just very honest here that in most platforms, the traders is just another customers, but at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entries models. Your performance fuel the business, your feedback shape the platforms, and your consistency determine how far we scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare. It is something we are generally value.
So, if you have ever questioned whether this path is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonials, look at the funded accounts, talk to people who have been through the system. The story are real, the capital is real, and the result, they speak loudly.
To summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and an education-first trading institution. We are here to challenge the status quo in trading access, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real, scalable income opportunities for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is bigger than a platform. It's a trading movement. And if you are ready to be a part of it, today's live stream will give you the full roadmap to get started. Thank you, Kai and Annie, for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we will check this foundation and connect it directly to what we offer, our actual account packages. That means a full breakdown of all the different account options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ, who they are designed for, and what kind of results you can realistically expect from each. Now that we've explored who WeMasterTrade is and the principle we stand for, it's time to dive into one of the most important parts of today's session, a detailed discussion on our account packages. For most traders, this is where the journey begins, choosing a structure that aligns with your goals, your trading style, and your current skill level. And when we say packages, we are not just talking about dollar amounts. We are talking about frameworks for growth. Each package at WeMasterTrade represents a different pathway, a roadmap toward building skill, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. Today, we will walk you through every package, explain what it offers, how it's structured, and most importantly, who it's designed for.
Exactly, Vincent. So as WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all models. That's why we create two distinct product lines for traders, the challenge package and the instant funding package. Its line comes with a variety of account size and configurations because the traders come with the different stretch, risk ability, and the timelines. We make sure this apart for everyone, whether you are starting small or ready to scale fast.
Now, let's talk about the instant funding package, designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have a test strategy or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and is still structured around the same risk rule that keep your account safe.
In the instant funding package, you select an account size from 10,000 to 100,000 and you start trading real funds from the day one. The rules are straightforward: 5% for daily loss limits, 10% for maximum loss, and one have 100 leverage. There are no simulate phase. You already in the front trade and your profit share up to 90%.
So to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression, grow your skill, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit share. The instant funding packages is for traders who want to start with real capital immediately, with all the protection and profit sharing benefits intact.
Exactly. Think of this way. Challenge package, build your confidence, demonstrate skill, grow progressively. Instant funding help you trade live capital immediately if you are confident in your strategy. Both pathways lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget that both packages are fully compliant with the WeMasterTrade Risk Manager rules. That's our guarantee that you have a clear, transparent path whether you are learning, testing, or trading full-time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill levels, and the comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you are at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's another trade package for you. And coming up next, we are going to do a side-by-side comparison of challenge versus instant funding. So you can clearly see account size, risk rules, timelines, and profit share opportunities.
So, first of all, if you have a 25,000 to 100,000 challenge packages, they are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger fund accounts. If you have passed the prop challenge or have a strong verified trading history, this is the natural step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with a one-time fee. For example, just $50 for the 10,000 challenge. Here's a good part. That fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if things don't go your way, you are eligible for a 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through a challenge at all and want real capital from day one, earning poorly based on result? That's where our instant funding packages come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced, disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluation, no demo stages, just live trading, fully backed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose for several account types based on your trading style, percentages, and goals. Today we will go to the four main instant funding packages: 5-10-10, 5-10-0, 5-10-10 no pieces, and customized. We will compare the details, the most importantly, and we will help you figure out that which packages is right for you.
Let me set the scene. All instant funding packages give you live trading access from day one. That means no challenge phases, no evaluations. You pay once, follow the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limit, up to 90% profit share, scale up land toward $1 million, support for EAs, swing trades, scalping, and even HFT strategies. Now, let's go package by package. Kai, Annie, I want you to jump in with real advice. Who should choose which package? And what kind of traders have you seen succeed with each? Next up, let's shift gear to the 5-10-10 package. Set maximum capital up to $200. But now you get 5% daily loss and 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
That extra breathing room is huge for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple entries per setup. Imagine you are in a volatile market with fast swings. The 5-10-10 rules let you navigate larger moves without hitting daily limits prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
And the profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligns with the highest risk windows. And as always, you get a full flexibility, cabins, EAs, new tradings, swing trades, SFTs, and whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand the position sizing, risk management, and the market timing.
This package is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, like gold, or volatile forex pairs. If you already have a test intraday strategy and want a little extra breathing room for risk, this is the package for you. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing structure.
And it is also great for traders who trust with the clear targets that 10% profits go out as a motivation milestones, keeping you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this package gives them the clarity without the feeling restrictive.
So it's sum up 5-10-10 for high tolerance, intraday or ambitious traders. Next, we will dive into the 5-10-0 and 5-10-10 no PC packages, which are even more flexible for advanced trading styles, including EAs, scalping, and more aggressive strategy. Now, this one is personal favorite for traders who love trading on their terms, the 5-10-0 package. You get a 5% daily limit, 10% overall loss, but zero profit target. That's right, no number chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patient, and let results come naturally.
And for traders who trust on precision over pace, this is pure freedoms. You focus on protecting capitals, building consistency ranks, and growing your accounts without any arbitrary pressures. No targets, just trading, cleans, controlled, and asymmetry.
This package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market snapper. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, each with careful planning, this environment actually rewards patience rather than punishing it.
Veterans, swing traders, risk-conscious traders, basically anyone who values consistency over speed. If that sounds like you, these packages will feel like home.
And let's face it, not every traders want to chase targets. Some just want to trade cleanly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is the package for them.
Next up, for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraints, the 5-10-10 no BC package. Annie, correct me if I'm wrong. This one remove the profit consistency rule?
Exactly, same on 5-10 risk profile, but no pressure to smooth out your profits. You can hit big wins, take calculated swing, and you are not penalized or volatility in result.
And just the heads up, traders, copiers are not allowed. So this is for the mentor traders only, but for those who enjoy the high risk, high reward tradings with occasional big spike. This is the ideal arena.
So, who is it for? It's for aggressive traders, risk taker, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rules elsewhere. Trade how you want, as long as you respect the drawdown limits.
And last but not least, the customized package. Think of it as WeMasterTrade saying, you define the rule, we fund your strategy.
And you can assess your own daily loss, overall loss, and even the funds up to $400,000. The largest funded option we offer, and it's designed for serious traders who want total control without compromises on flexibility.
This is premium or access trading. You can use EAs, new strategies, weekend holding, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the package that lets you bring it to life. Top tier professional, hedge fund traders, high volume traders is the one this package made for. Signal provider is also. Anyone who wants fully tailored trading setup, this package put the blueprint in your hands.
And I always say, if you try other models and nothing fits, the customized packages lets you build your own roadmap. That level of freedom is rare in the trading world, and especially powerful for the serious traders.
To wrap it up, every instant for the package we offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunity. Clear risk parameters, competitive commission, full market access, and genuine profit potential. No artificial time limits and payouts. They can start as early as the very next day.
And here's the best part. No matter your trading style, scalping, swings, arrows, or managers, there is an account that matches yours. The key is showing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency, signals and the roles compound naturally.
And if you're ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dreams. The right fit always outperforms the flashiest promise.
And thanks everyone, that is all for the account packages. Before we go into the trading rules, we will take a short break and then we'll come back later.
Trade.
Welcome back everyone to WeMasterTrade LiveStream. Before we have explored all the account packages, now let's go to the trading rules. You have seen the packages, now it's time to tackle the rule that can make or break your account, the daily loss limit. Stay tuned, this one separates the bros from the panic. Getting funded feels amazing, but staying funded, that's the real game. And the number one reason account gets shut down? One thing, daily loss.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it closes their account mid-trade on a Tuesday afternoon. Classic.
But here's the silver linings. Once you really grab it, this rule becomes one of the best allies and in the risk management. Today we will break it down step by step with a real example.
So, what is it? The daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss, sets the hard caps for losses in a single trading day, including both close and floating trades. Hit it, even for a second, and your account shut down automatically.
And here's the nuance. It's always calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That small details is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as a status list. It's not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
Let's get practical. Day 5, your balance is 10500, but equity is 107,000 thanks to some floating profit.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculated is from 107,000 is the higher number.
4% of $107,000 equal about like $4,280. Your equity cannot drop below $1,002 or $102,720 that day, or it's auto liquidation.
And here's the kicker. This is real time. The system doesn't wait. Dip below for even a second, and boom, account closed.
Now flip it. Day 7, balance is $100,000. Equity is $99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Since the balance is higher, the 4% of daily loss is equal to 4,000. Your equity must stay above 96,000 all days.
Drop to 95,999. Auto liquidation trigger. No margin call, no warning, just done.
So what's happened if you break it? The system executes a market order to close everything. All trades liquidate, account disable. You cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it's executed as live market price, slip-base can make the final profits and loss worse than expected. That 3,900 lost your plans counter into 4,200 in the seconds.
That's why we always say, don't dance on the edge. Respect the limit, protect your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Alright traders, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the pro mindset kicks in.
Tip number 1, know your purpose. Don't plan trades that puts you right to the edge of your limits. Please at least 10 to 15% cushions below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Tips number 2, focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you are already at risk of violation.
Tip number 3, use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provides live risk dashboards. Check your loss status frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
Tip number 4, hold after the early losses. If you lost 3% in the first hour of the London sessions, stop, reflect, and don't try to revenge your trades back into the ring.
Tips number 5, trade smaller during news events. Trading gold during an FP as full size, that's a fast track to hitting daily loss. Scale down your loss, try or ride the post volatility, move safely.
Let's talk about the traps. What mistakes do traders make most often with daily loss?
So number one is over leverage. Opening trades that are 5 to 7% of your account, thinking your exit quietly. When it goes red fast, it's already too late.
Number 2, holding overnight without checking exposure. 3 trades left overnight. Wake up with a 60 pip gap. Daily loss can trigger before you can even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake?
Assuming only close trades matters, not equity included floating profits and loss too. That is your real score. I'm always tell the new traders that daily loss isn't your enemies. Think of it as your cabin airbag. It designed to serve you for making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly. It forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn that and you will last longer than 90% of the market.
One last point. This isn't just about rules, it's about trust. WeMasterTrade funds you because we trust you will manage risk responsibly. The daily loss, it protects that trust for both sides. Previously, we have covered the daily loss rule, your day-to-day seatbelt. But now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundary. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule, your account's airbag. This isn't just for one day, it's for the entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I did not hit my daily limits, I'm safe. But a few days of small loss adds up and suddenly liquidations.
Exactly. The max loss is the final safety net. Hit it and the system sees your accounts as unsalvageable. Immediate closure, no exception.
Let's break it down simply. It's the total loss your account can sustain across all trades at any moment. If your equity, including open trades, dip below that threshold, the account is gone. Period.
Unlike the daily loss, which resets each stage, this is the cumulative lose 2% one day, 3% the next day, and cross-realize, and that's it.
The actual percentage depends on your package. Typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance. It's always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profits.
Suppose your account starts at 50,000 with a 6% max loss, that's 3,000.
And your equity can never fall below to 47,000. Does not matter if you make 1,000 yesterday, it's cumulative from the start.
And remember, both close and floating losses count. Close at $2,000, floating at $1,200, equity is $46,800, below $47,000, account is closed.
Not about net gain or loss across trades, it's about real-time equity versus the stop loss floor.
Says your account roll to 51,000, profits feel right?
Yeah, but max loss is still based on original like $50,000, 6% limit, so it will be $47,000. Profit only gives extra buffer.
Exactly. Your equity can drop 4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
Drop below the max loss even by a few dollars and auto liquidation triggers instantly. All trades close at market price.
And slide the daily loss slip page may make your final numbers slightly worse. That's just the market's reality.
And most importantly, once breached, the account is permanently disabled. No resets, no rollbacks. Want to continue trading? You must purchase a new package.
Alright traders, here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max loss box and trade like pro without sweating every second?
Tip number 1, know your close always. Track your total closes every day. Don't wait for the dashboard outlet. Calculated is manually and awareness is half the battle.
Tips number 2, trade profits at ammo, not ammo. Floating gains don't mean going wild. Reduce lot size when you are ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it.
Tip number 3. Manage floating losses like a hawk. Even one wrong trade can turn your cushion into catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
And tip number 4 is step back when danger looms. If you are 5% down of 6% mass loss, don't chase it. Walk away, take a breath, and analyze maintain safe account.
And tip number 5, never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size, goals, Nasdaq, EUR pairs, they spike fast. Respect the market, respect the limit.
Now let's get real. Here are the moves that destroy accounts faster than you can blink.
Tip number 1 is over leveraging. Opening positions at 5-10% of your account thinking it is safe. One wrong move, you are told.
Number 2, ignoring floating trades. Close 3 loss, thinks you are safe. One more red trade floating, $1,500 to $2,000. Boom. Accounts close the line.
And number 3, the reverse tradings. Lose yesterday's, come back swinging today to recover. That is how 6% mass loss disappears in 2 seconds.
4th, slippage during the news. Tight stop? Doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your buffer before you can blink.
Listen up, the mass loss isn't the enemy, it's your protective shields. Your airbag. Every top trader I know treats it as non-negotiable crosses and lessen his horse account gone.
Exactly. Think of this as reality check. If you are constantly skimming the edge, the problem isn't the rule. It's your strategy or mindset. Fix that and the account lasts years, not days.
So here's the mantra. Traders, respect the mass loss, trade inside the box, protect your equity, and grow consistently. Treat it like your best friend, and it will keep your accounts alive while more traders self-destruct around you.
As WeMasterTrade, we're not just handing out capitals, we are building the structures, disciplines, and professionalism. The mass loss rules, that is the line that separates rambles from the true traders.
So let's lock this in, traders. Here's what you need to remember about mass loss. It's a percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's calculated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It counts both close and floating losses. Every penny matters. And here's the kicker. Once it's breached, the account is gone permanently.
Think of this as your final safety net. Respect it, trade smart, and you will survive where most traders fail.
Alright traders, we have covered the daily loss limit and the maximum loss rule, your capital safety net. Now let's talk about results, not just risk. At WeMasterTrade, we want to see traders grow, scale, and earn sustainably. That's where the profit consistency comes in.
So this rules it separates the lucky spies from the true profs. It tells us that whether you can make the consistent profits over time instead of relying on one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawals, and scales up, funded and can't withdraw at full profit. This rule is probably why.
And what is the profit consistency? Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profits can come in day to day. When huge spike and several flash or losing days, high ratio, low consistency.
So at WeMasterTrade, the most account is required to 30% of profits in profit consistencies, meaning your best day cannot exceed 30% of your total profits. Exceptions, the 5, 10, 10 no PC packages that don't have the profit consistency rule at all.
Important, if your profit consistency exceeds 20%, your profit share drop to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize the earning. And how is calculated? The formula is really simple. Best trading day profit divided to the total close profit and multiply 100. It will be the profit consistency percentage.
So the best days equal the singles day highest close profits. Total profits is equal to sum of all close profits minus close losses. Flopping lose don't count until close.
So if your best day is 200 and your total profit is 500, your BC is 200 divided by 500 multiplied by 100, that's equal 40%. That's too high. And you need to trade more to reduce this ratio below 20% to eligible for payout.
So, for example, 5-day result, day 1, $100, day 2, $200, day 3, minus $50, day 4 will be $100, and day 5 will be $60.
So the total net profits that is 100 plus 200 and minus 50 plus 100 and plus 60, and the equal is 410.
So what is your best day? It's day 5, which is $200. So your BC equal 200 divided by 410 multiplied by 100. That's roughly about 48 and 78%.
Way above the 30% limit, even though profitable. Profit share dropped to 10% until consistency improved.
Profits doesn't equal pay. Even profitable traders won't get full profit share if gains are too concentrated.
And if you rely on 1 or 2 monster days to carry on your accounts that with no skill, you need to steady wins.
Long-term balance equal higher trust, scales up, and full profit share. That's what separates Funded Pro from lucky spikes. So, how to improve your profits consistency? Over the limit? Don't panic. Focus on evening out profit over multiple days.
So practical tips: reduce the loss size for the few days. Take smaller controls wins like 200 to 300 a day. Avoid one massive swing trades. Spread ranks across multiple days.
For EA user, monitor your equity curve. Box that spike profits into one day may hurt BC. Adjust to keep ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
And the common mistakes. The first one, hitting target early and resting. Inflate best day ratio.
So number 2 is over trading after the big days. Trying to squeeze more before the higher ratio.
Third, ignoring the rule. Profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
And profit consistency isn't the hardest. It is your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximize the profit share.
Hit this and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital. Ignores it and even profitable accounts get reduced payouts.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profit is better than one lucky spike any day. Keep BC below 20% to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast.
So at the end of the day, this is not about controlling use, it is about building the habits that can handle scales. If you cannot be consistent with the 25,000, what's happened when we give you like 100,000 or more?
Exactly. Consistency is your ticket to trust. As WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. These rules show whether you are serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spikes.
And we have seen it time and again. The traders who respect this rule, they are the ones getting multiple payouts, referrals, and eventually scaling to 6-figure for their account.
And yeah, so don't fear the rules, embrace it and feedback. Too high? That's good. It means you may profit. Now's the goal. Balance it out over multiple sections.
And remember, no manual math requires. WeMasterTrade is have the dashboard automatically calculates your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under your statistics tab.
Thank you so much to all the amazing viewers who joined our live stream today. We truly appreciate your time, your energy, and your support. We hope today's session has given you a clearer understanding of WeMasterTrade, from our trading rules, risk management, and profit consistency, to our scale-up plans and exciting promotion. Your engagement, your question, and your feedback means a lot to us. We love connecting with our trading community and sharing insights that can help you grow as a trader. So stay tuned for our next live stream. We can wait to see you again and bring you even more tips, updates, and opportunities to level up your journey. Here's the last session of our live stream news calendar.
So let's start with the Wednesday's US data. Core PPIs came out as 0%, which was more lower than the forecast at 0.2% at the previous, like 0.3%. This tells us that inflation pressures that at the producers' levels is easing.
Yes, and when producer inflation slows down, it usually means businesses are not facing strong cost increase, which reduce the risk of future consumer inflation. This kind of data normally puts some pressure on the US dollars.
But at the same time, core retail sales surprise to the upside at 0.5%, hitting the forecast of 0.4%, and the previous is 0.2%. This so that the US consumers are still spending actively.
Strong consumer spending is a very important signal because it means the US economy is still growing and demand remains healthy, which support the US dollars.
Then we have the PPIs at least 0.2%, exactly in the line with the expectations. So it did not change the market's sentiments much.
The most important release was retail sales, which jumped to 0.6% compared to the forecast of 0.5% and the previous minus 0.1%. This is a strong recovery in the consumer demand.
And this tells us that the US economy is performing better than many people expected, even though the inflation is cooling.
And because the economy is still strong, the Federal Reserve has less reason to rush into cutting interest rates.
Thus, combinations keep the US dollar support overall, even though the inflation numbers were softer.
Now, let's move to Thursday data. First, the UK GDP came in at 0.1%, improving from minus 0.1% previously. This means the UK economy has moved out of contraction and back into growth.
And this very positive signals for the purchasing power, because economists will increase the change that the Bank of England can keep interest rates higher for longer.
A growing economy usually attracts more investment, which adds strength to the currency.
And later in the days, we got the US employment claim as 215K, which was higher than the forecast of 208K. That means more people are filing for employment than expect.
This suggests some softening in the US labor market and thus weaken the US dollar slightly.
So when the labor market shows the sign of cooling, it gives the Federal Reserve more room to think about the rate cuts in the future.
So when we combine all of this, the US dollar has mixed signals, strong retail sales, but weaker inflation and a slightly softer labor market.
So meanwhile, the purchasing power is supported by improving economic growth, which makes the GDP fundamentally stronger.
That's why, from a fundamental point of view, GBP USD has a bullish bias.
As long as price respects support, traders should mainly look for the buying ability on GBP USD.
This new flow favors long position rather than selling into the market. And yes, that will be the end of our calendar today.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you found this session valuable and gained some new insights. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this session if it helped you. And stay tuned for our next one. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy trading and take care.